Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're interested in knowing how I achieve this voluminous and natural hairstyle, then keep watching. Okay, so starting out, I just washed my hair and I'm going to start on some damp hair using Eco Styler, a recto comb, and a clip. Okay, so I'm taking my Eco Styler and putting it on the section that I'm going to be twisting, making sure that it's definitely on the driest parts, but for sure all over that section. Now I'm just taking the hair, making sure that I evenly divided it and stretched out, because if I don't stretch my hair out, then it will curl up and cause shrinkage, and we want as less shrinkage as possible. For the ends, I like to twist it up as much as I can and twirl it around my finger to make sure that make sure the twist isn't coming loose. Make sure you're combing out your hair so you can get the knots and tangles out. And like I said, put the Eco Styler especially on the driest parts, which would be your ends. Make sure that it's on your ends, because if it's not on your ends, then it will come out puffy, and your more defined curls will be like in the middle of your hair, and no one can really see that. So make sure your hair is stretched out, combed out, and saturated with the product. Make sure that your hair is saturated in the areas that is really dry. Usually, like, the top part of my hair is really dry, so I have to put more product than the rest of my hair so that it won't create so much frizz. And if you don't put enough product on that area, then the moisture from your hair will create a lot of frizz. So make sure that you are putting enough product on the areas needed. Like this, for instance, your hair shouldn't look this dry, and especially at the ends. So I would just put a little bit of product on my fingers and then glide it down, and then as I twist, more product will get on the strands, but you don't have to put that much. You also want to make sure that your hair is tight at the root. So in order to make that happen, you just do the twist tight. If you do it loose, the twist is already going to loosen up. So when doing it loose, it's going to be a really loose twist and your curls aren't going to come out right at all. So just make sure that it's really tight like this, and then it's going to end up like this. By the way, don't be lazy like me and try to use the rest of the hair to make one big twist, because that will mess up the whole hairstyle. So I'm adding the little hair jewels to my hair because I will be wearing this twist out for a day and then I'm gonna take it out. Alright, it's time to take it out. It's the next day and surprisingly people actually liked this style. But you're just gonna unravel the twist. I usually like to put oil on my fingers, but I didn't have any, guys. Oh my gosh, I didn't have any. It kind of affected the hairstyle as well. But when you're taking out the twist, pull the twist apart instead of running your fingers through it. I repeat, pull the twist apart instead of running your fingers through it, because running your fingers through your hair will create a lot of unnecessary frizz that you don't want to have. And just pulling it apart, you can do it over time and it will allow your hair to be bigger. And here I am just picking out my hair. At this point, I did not like it, to be honest. I did not like my hair, so I had to play around with it, and I just added some more Eco Styler to the front and laid down those two big twists that made my hairstyle trash. But it's okay. Alright guys, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and I hope that your hair comes out way better. Bye.